mummies and daddies. How are you? I feel you will feel energetic and are safe in your home in this pandemic. So please be at your home. Take care of yourself and your babies. Today we will talk about, as we have already discussed about in the last video, what should be the diet procedure or the diet items recipes you can give it to your kids in breakfast and lunch. Now we'll go ahead and discuss about evening snacks and dinner. Let's start. While evening snacks, if your baby is comfortable with breastfeeding and for or formula milk, go for it. Otherwise, you can go for some other stuffs like other recipes, in fact, like apricot sliced, breadstick. Then you can go for some juice, fresh juice, or steamed apple slice, a wine biscuit or rice biscuit. These are simple ideas you can add in your evening snacks. Now let's go ahead and begin with our dinner recipes, which is the last food of the day, which must be something healthy which baby can take it easily and can give a healthy effect to the baby. Plus it gives a fuller effect to the baby so that they can sleep properly the whole night and do not disturb you. So let's begin with the dinner recipes. What can be given in the dinner? First of all, you can add roasted chicken, sliced roasted chicken, or you can cut it into the pieces and add with some potatoes, mashed or steamed boiled potatoes, barley, oats. Then you can go for something like asparagus, omelette, veggie omelette. In that you can add some veggies like spinach, carrot. Grate the carrot and add into your omelette. That will be also very healthy for your baby. Quinoa, pancake, all types of whole grains. Then you have cereals. These are the simple food recipes or items you can say you can add into the dinner recipes. So the recipes we have discussed before and today and right now with you for dinner, you can also alternatively exchange and check it out with your baby if it suits for you, for your little ones, and they are comfortable with it. Or else you can also exchange the ideas and get it done with your children's, because I'm sure one or the other will suit your baby. In case if there is any problem, or if you feel that is not you're not comfortable with it, or you feel you have some query about the ideas or the chart which I have provided you, feel free to comment in the comment box, and I'm there for you always to suggest you or to improve in the things, or bring different types of items or recipes for your kid. If you need any detailed recipes, feel free to comment about that as well. I'll be coming with all your queries and your information. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you're new in my channel, so that you can get all the notifications about my upcoming videos. Thank you.